You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Congratulations. Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Baila, baila y goza. Mi bomba puertorriqueña. Bomba.
Yinka Quadri, a famous veteran Yoruba actor, has taken to Instagram to share lovely images of his US-based son and granddaughter as he celebrates their birthdays. He wishes his son and adorable granddaughter a happy birthday in his article. He prays to Allah to grant them both peace, prosperity, true friends, and most importantly, true happiness in their lives.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.